Balita ko, birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha! At you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na, para safe tayong lahat sa COVID-19. Happy birthday! Kahit ganito yung nangyayari ngayon, I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po! God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your day! Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! God bless you! Wish you all the best! Happy birthday!
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you and happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday!
Hello ma, happy birthday from Canada! Happy birthday ma. Ang tanging wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana maging masaya ka today at maging happy ka everyday. Tsaka sana dumami pa yung apo mo kasi alam ko yun na sasaya ka dun. And yun lang, wag kang mag-isip ng mga hindi magandang bagay, maging positive ka lang, and always think about the good things in life, maging thankful. And I love you, and sana magkita-kita tayo soon pag nakauwi kami dyan ng Pilipinas.
Ayun po, happy birthday po ulit. Ayan. In addition po sa sinabi ni Kent, ang wish ko po sa inyo ay good health. Ayan, may God continue to bless you and guide you every day. And sana marami pa po kayong birthdays na i-celebrate together with your grandkids and your sons and other family members. Ayun po, sana masaya po kayo ngayong araw ninyo at sa mga susunod pa na araw and sa mga araw-araw na darating. Yun po, hope to see you soonest. With the chikitings. Dami nun with the chikiting. Yan. Sana po makauwi next year para makita niyo na ang inyong apo sa amin ni Kent. So, yun. Parang isa yun sa mga magandang regalo namin sa inyo. Ayun po. Once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless you always, and we love you po from Canada. With love again.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Cheers. See you po.
Hi ma, happy birthday. So, ang wish ko na naman po ay to live your life to the fullest. Huwag nyo na pong problemahin yung mga problema sa paligid ninyo. Mag-relax na lang po kayo at magpagaling po kayo. Yun na lang po intindihin nyo. And palagi po kayo mag-iingat, and God bless you po mama. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate. I wish you all the best in your life. hoping and claiming for your strong and good health. God bless you. Happy birthday and I love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Masaya ako at nakilala kita. Masaya ako kasi nagkaroon ako ng bagong ate sa panibagong buhay ko, sa buhay namin ng mga anak ko. At nagpapasalamat ako kasi tinanggap mo kami ng mga anak ko, 10 ng iyong pamilya. So wish ko sa'yo ngayong birthday mo is more blessing at saka good health, at alam ko magkakasama pa ulit tayo dito sa PNG at sa Pilipinas. So see you soon, enjoy your day at always happy. Thank you.
Morning, gorgeous. I love you. I love you when I saw you first time, and I love you now, and I will love you forever, forever. No matter what happens, I love you. I would always love you. Happy birthday to you, the most beautiful, gorgeous, gracious, and loyal lady. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's nice to see the smile on your face. I love you, baby.